In this video, I'm going to share with you the one question you need to ask on every sales call to increase your conversions and get more clients now. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. It's Tom Jackobs here, and this channel is specifically for solopreneurs, solo practitioners, and those that want to increase their sales by having a better presentation that turns into a performance for more profits in your business. So let's dive into the topic at hand, the one and only question. I wish that were so easy that there'd be just one question to ask on every sales conversation that guarantees a sale. There isn't, but this one question that I'm going to share with you should be added to every sales conversation that you have to increase the number of conversions that you have. I mean, imagine if you can go from having a 60% close rate to 70% close rate, that extra 10% over the course of a year, that's a lot more clients for you. Even if it goes from 50 to 80% or 70 to 90%, that's a huge increase for you. And all you've had to do is just learn some simple techniques that I'm going to share with you right now. Let me give you a little backstory on this question. One of the most aggravating and, quite frankly, overused objection that most salespeople hear during their conversations is, "Let me think about it." I mean, how annoying is that, right? But generally people say that because they don't have all the information, or maybe they're just trying to be nice to you and they don't want to upset you and not buy from you. And so they're saying, well, let me think about it. And they're just kind of pushing it off. Well, what you need to do is through your questioning phase, which by the way, is when the sale is made, not when you close it. The sale is actually made when you are questioning and finding answers for people. But the question that you should add to everything that you do, and the question you should add to every sales conversation is, why is now the right time for you to change, for you to invest in this, for you to do what it is that you are wanting people to do? So why is now? And the emphasis there is now. Why is now the right time? Why did you pick up the phone now and call? Why are you deciding now to make a change? Something that has the word now in it, which puts people into the present mode. The reason that you want to ask that question is not for you to know why they need to do it now. It's for them to hear themselves tell you why they need your product or service right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next year, but right now. And this is a very powerful technique because when you do that now, and when you do that in the questioning phase, when you get to the, hey, let's go ahead and get you signed up for the program, and they say, oh, let me think about it, you can go back to the answer that they gave you. It's like, oh, because like 5 minutes ago when I was asking you all sorts of questions, I asked you why is now the right time, and you told me that now is the right time because boom, 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 fill in the blank, what they told you. And that catches them in an awkward position, let's just say, where they don't want to lie because they told you and they have to really backtrack. And what this is going to do for you is enable you to understand what the true objection was rather than just this smokescreen of let me think about it. So make sure you are adding that one question. Why is now the right time to fill in the blank? Problem that you're solving. Why is now the right time to finally get your social media in order? Why is now the right time for getting your leads followed up with on a regular basis? Those are questions that I ask during my sales conversations. So put that into your repertoire, try it out. I would love to hear how it is working for you. So please make a comment down below. Let me know how that's working for you. And if you're interested in more videos just like this to help you improve your sales, then check out this video right here. I'm sure you will absolutely love it. And until next time, you have a great day.